Okay, I'm going to try to show this a little different way. Okay, something happened with the hurricane. Here it is. It's Cat 5, and it's got, the look of a very strong hurricane. But watch what happens right after it achieves 5. Something starts to take place. It gets highly disturbed. Look at the spiral bands coming out from the edge. Like, see these spiral bands? They're like feathers sticking out right there. I know you can see them. Watch what happens. The storm like expands dramatically and quickly. Watch it grow up. Boom, boom, boom. Here we are back down to Cat 5. What happens? Boom. Look at it expand. Boom. I'm not sure. This is where it gets dark, so you can't see it as well. But why is it expanding so greatly like that? And the eye of the storm even becomes cloudy. Look at the eye. Can't see the eye. Back up over here where it achieved Cat 5, eye is perfect. Then something happens, and even the eye goes cloudy. Has this thing hit another gear? Or has there been a supernatural intervention here? Like the hand of God? Or is this something else? I don't know. Watch it. Watch it get big. Boom. And crazy, angry looking. You do see this, right? I know you're like me. You don't know what's going on. No more probably than I do. But why did the eye get, why does everything look so crazy and the storm's expanding and the eye goes cloudy when it's been completely clear like a normal Cat 5 hurricane? I don't know, guys. I'm not sure what to tell you. I'm just showing you what I'm seeing. Along with the fact that from about, see that flash, that pink flash? Yeah, see that pink flash? From after that pink flash, if you look to the right of the storm, all kind of new thunderstorm tops start popping up. And then the storm goes crazy. See those thunderstorm tops popping up? And if I blew this up into a bigger image, you can see it even more. But we get that pink flash, and then boom, it just goes like crazy, supernova looking. And the eye gets cloudy. I can't explain it, guys. I don't know what's going on. I'm just trying to do my best and showing you what I'm seeing and what I'm questioning. And, we do this together. So, with that being said, I'll let you go. To be seen what's going to go on with this. But if you're, especially on the west coast of Florida, realize that, you really need to consider leaving town by morning. But then also realize you're going to be gone, because if this storm comes in anywhere close to this, God forbid if we have the what I talked about on the Supernatural show earlier, the sting. I forget what it's even called now because I just heard of it today. You're going to be out of town for probably at least a week because there's going to be so many trees down and resources are already stressed because of Helene. Yeah, so I love you guys. Talk to you soon.